In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete campaigns on Mailchimp. Whether you're tidying up your Mailchimp dashboard or just need to remove some outdated campaigns, it's a simple process. So let's dive right in and walk through it together. First things first, you'll want to head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you've logged in and have your dashboard in front of you, we're already halfway there. Now you'll see a panel on the left hand side of the screen. From here, click on the section labelled Campaigns. This will open up a new page displaying all your email campaigns. Now here's where organization can really come in handy. If you have a lot of campaigns, finding the one you want to delete can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, Mailchimp has made this easy with a search bar and filter options. Utilize these tools to locate the specific campaign you're looking to remove. Once you've located your campaign, look for the drop down menu next to it. A straightforward click here will reveal a list of actions you can perform for that campaign. From this menu, you'll select the option that says delete. Keep in mind that this step requires careful attention. Make sure you've selected the correct campaign to avoid any unwanted deletions. After clicking delete, Mailchimp will prompt you with a confirmation message. This is your last checkpoint to make sure everything is good to go. Take a moment to review the confirmation message before proceeding. If you're certain that you want to proceed, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it, your unwanted campaign is now history, off your Mailchimp account for good. It's as simple as that, and it should take you less than 5 minutes from start to finish. A few tips to keep in mind: always double check that you're deleting the right campaign, especially if you're managing multiple accounts or teams. It's also worth noting that once deleted, campaigns cannot typically be recovered, so make sure you've saved any important data or analytics elsewhere if needed. Thanks for watching our quick guide on managing your Mailchimp campaigns. If you found this video helpful, remain curious and keep exploring other ways to optimize your email marketing. Until next time, have a fantastic day and efficient organizing experience on Mailchimp.